guys, Teacher Kiana here. I have a super fun activity for you to do, and it's going to be sun catchers. So this past week, we did ArtSci adventures. Excuse the baby, no worries, but we're going to get through this. We did ArtSci adventures, and we explored different projects in science, from engineering and from gardening, and looking at George Washington Carver and other scientists that did amazing things. And then we went into the wonderful world of art and looked at nature and different artists in that arena, like Alma Thomas and what was the other artist? I can't remember. Oh man, what was it? Kehinde Wiley. Yes, Kehinde Wiley. And we looked at all of the things that he created with art as well. So with that being said, there were tons more of activities that I wanted to squeeze in for the week, but just could not. And so as a result, again, you can continue learning, and this video is going to showcase one thing that you all can do in addition to what we've already covered this week. So you have here your printouts. Feel free to print out whatever you want outline. And what I want you to do is to go ahead and cut out the inside. Excuse me, guys. I want you to cut out the inside. So cut all the white space, and then we'll be back. Right? Okay, so here's my paper, and you could fold it, and then what you're going to do is cut out all the white. So cut to the line. Okay, and it's going to look like that. So you're going to cut it out. You're going to do that all the way around. We have all of the petals cut out, as you see. Now cut the outside. There you have it. Your image should be completely cut out. Now that your image is cut out, go ahead and grab your contact paper and peel it. Now you're going to take your contact paper and peel it. With the sticky side, see that? The sticky side facing up. You're going to take your cutout and put it face down. See that? Put it face down on the sticky side. Okay, and your image should look like this. Again, face down on the sticky side. Now you're going to take all of your different colors of tissue paper, cutting them up and making a cute pattern inside of your image. Okay, so I have my tissue paper. I'm going to cut it up into little blocks, like so. And then I'm just going to arrange that on my paper. Cover it all till you have your image covered. And if you want to make it smaller and make your design more intricate, you can do so as well. And you just want to make it flat. And you're going to keep going until your entire page is covered. So here is the finished product once we got all of the tissue paper on. Now we're going to take a second piece of contact paper and overlap this. Okay, so here's our second piece of contact paper, sticky side facing down. You're going to lay it directly over your project. And smooth it out as you go. Look at that. All right, let's turn it over. And there's our finished product. Now you just want to cut around like so. Get a Sharpie, write your name and date on it. Like so. And there you have it. You're complete. All right, guys, so there you have it. Here's our awesome sun catcher. Once you're done, you could hole punch it at the top, put a string in it. You could put it on the door and just have fun with it, displaying your amazing project. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.